Hi guys, welcome to Perfect Gaming. This is my first video guys. So I hope this channel will be a good channel and this is my first video guys. In this video we will see how to download Subway Surfers mod APK. First of all you need to go to Google and search Subway Surfers mod APK. After searching it, you have to go to the first link that will be given android1.com. You have to go to that link and then scroll down and then you will see download Subway Surface mod unlimited coins and keys. And then scroll down guys. You will be seeing that you will be getting 7 seconds. After that 7 seconds you will get download. Then press the download guys. I have already downloaded, so I will not download, but you download guys. After downloading, install it. After that install, go to this, go to that. This is that guys. That is World Tour Monaco. Loading. Loading guys. Yeah, finished. So this is our Subway Surfers Monaco hacked version mod APK with unlimited coins and keys. See here guys. You can see all the characters are unlocked. When you open the game itself, all the characters will be unlocked and even hoverboard will be unlocked. Sorry that my phone is just switching on. You can see it. If we use keys or coins, it will never change guys. So see guys, just now I brought, see guys, I'm buying this for 70 keys. I have unlocked it, but still the keys are same. So it has been proven that this is unlimited. So let's check for coins. Let's buy some hoverboard. See guys, I'm buying so much hoverboards and this is not changing. So this is unlimited. So guys, this video, I hope you enjoyed it and it will be useful for you. You can experience this. See guys, I'm using the keys. Now let's see the keys are changing. See, the keys are same. Okay guys, it has been proven that unlimited and original. This is my first video. I hope I will get 100 likes. Thank you guys.